What if no one watches my videos? What will I even talk about? Does my voice really sound like this? These are just a few of the many thoughts that went through my head before I started the Detailed Dream channel. And now looking back, starting has to be easily one of the best decisions I've ever made. One moment. There is nothing like the Langston scent from Harlem Candle Co, which is my choice of candle for this video. Oh yeah, before I forget, you may want to stay to the end of this video. I may have something for you. Hey, what's up? My name is Rakima. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Detailed Dream. And as I've began every video thus far, my primary focus for this channel is to expose you to the expansive world of luxury goods for yourself and your home. Whether that be anything dealing with fragrance, such as candles and diffusers, to personal items for yourself, such as shoes and suiting. But I'm mostly known for the videos I make on candles. Man, do I love a good candle. I basically love anything that smells good. I like to think smell is associated with our moods. It plays a big part on how we feel emotionally. I find it quite enjoyable that a scent can trigger memories that I forgot I had or can de-stress my mind after a long day. Scents are a very powerful thing. Wearing a good scent can give you this extra level of confidence, and having a good scent burning in your home can add an extra level of comfort. There may come a point in time when you may need something a little extra though. My body fragrances was on point. I found my signature scents and I also had my backups. But with my high expectations for any scent that I use, I noticed there was one area lacking, and that was my home fragrance. I needed something more from the candles I used to buy. Most of us start with buying candles from places like Bath & Body Works. Not to say that there's anything wrong with BBW candles. If that's your thing, I'm all for it. For me personally, it just wasn't for me. But I do want you to know that the candle world is vast. I demanded a lot more from the scents I use in my home. Candles I used to burn was not going to provide me with what I needed. I essentially wanted the smell of my home to match the parfums I wear on a daily basis. And knowing how much I spend on parfums, I knew it was going to require me to talk to my wallet on why I needed luxury candles now. This was a few years ago, so I had no idea a Cire Trudon or a Malone even existed. And then one day, I was introduced to a brand I had never heard of before. That brand was Diptyque, and from that day on, my life was never the same. Sounds like I found the true love of my life or something. Yes, Diptyque was the first luxury candle brand I was ever introduced to, and the reason why I spent a good sum of my money on luxury home fragrances to this day. I was now buying candles that cost about the same as some good body fragrances. I don't mind though, because I do find enjoyment from it. I then went down this rabbit hole of discovering so many other luxury candle brands. I became a little obsessive about home fragrances after experiencing Diptyque. I wanted to know everything from candles to diffusers to wax to even incense. I wanted to learn everything there is involving home fragrances. And I'll admit, I'm still obsessive over it. I'm still learning new things every day, and I'm loving every second of it. It's fun for me in a way, but I also take it very seriously. Which leads me to why I started making content on primarily luxury candles. Let's take a look into the mind of Rakima. Like I said, I wanted to learn everything there is about home fragrance. I'm a visual learner, so naturally I gravitate towards something like YouTube. I want to share everything I've learned with an audience that will appreciate it as much as I do. And I know I'm not the only one that dealt with frustration of looking for that next level of home fragrance. So I want to help as many people as I can by exposing them to the world of different levels of luxury goods. I want this to be a journey for us all. I know sometimes I would not say the correct things, but I'm okay with that because I am human. I'm not going to act like I know everything there is to know. We are here to share our knowledge with each other. I inform you of what I know and you inform me of what you know. It's what I love about YouTube. I've learned so much from everyone that communicates with me in the comments. I can't begin to tell you the many comments I get saying how I've helped in some way, shape, or form. It fills me with gratitude. I take the good with the not so good as well. But I expected that even before creating my first video. This is something I really enjoy doing. I love every aspect of creating this long form content. I'm a very meticulous person, so every detail of my videos has to be perfect. Does it always work out the way I plan it? No, it really doesn't, but mostly everything is done with some sort of intention. Even down to the candles I burn in the background of some of my videos. If you've ever noticed, the candle I have burning in the background is sometimes a hint to an upcoming video, like a candle review. A little Easter egg for you so you can stay on the lookout for hints in future videos. Remember, everything I do has a purpose. I put a lot of focus into making lasting content as well. I don't like the idea of my videos just being moments in the sun. Of course, I will grow as a creator, but I want someone to watch these videos 3-5 years from now and it still be somewhat relevant. That's why you will not see most of my videos with the year in the title, because I think that automatically dates them. I mean, sometimes it's necessary because I have a video coming soon on my favorite candles of 2021. It would be great to look back to see how my favorites has changed over the years. But you would not see titles like Best Candles for Fall 2021 or Best Candles for the Holiday Season 2021. The candles I burn for fall or winter, let's say, should always remain as solid options, not just for that certain year. Creating the best content in that moment with full effort is a job well done in my opinion. I'm currently uploading every Sunday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I've been thinking about pushing that to probably twice a week. I get a lot of recommendations in the comments on what you all are interested in, so it may help if I upload it more. I'm still deciding though, so if you would like to see this face more during the week, go ahead and drop a like on this video. Going forward, my future plans for Detailed Dream is to stick to my uploading schedule as usual. I plan to up the quality and content as I grow as a creator. I'm always working on doing something different, pushing my own boundaries to give you all something better. And of course, I want this community to continue to grow on YouTube. I have you all to thank for the continued motivation you provide me with. I read every single comment and it really does keep me going to make content. I want you to know I do not take it for granted. With that being said, I want to announce my first giveaway. This is very exciting. I will be giving away a luxury candle scent of your choice to one of you from one of my all-time favorite candle brands, Harlem Candle Co. This isn't a sponsored giveaway or anything, just a token of my appreciation from me to you. I want one of you to experience my favorite scents with me, so why not do a giveaway? It would be especially good if you never had a candle from this brand yet, or if you want to start upgrading your candle collection. My favorite scent by far is the Langston scent, which they are always selling out of. Now that I'm thinking about it, I have to stock up on a few more of their scents. So I'll just pick those up when I go get the winner selection. Now, there are only 3 things that you will have to do to enter this giveaway. First, you have to subscribe to the channel. And yes, I can see if you're subscribed. Second, you have to give this video a like. And third, you have to leave a comment on your choice of scent. Very simple and easy, right? I will have a link to Harlem Candle Co's website in the description below so you can go check out the different scents that they offer. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here. This giveaway will end in exactly 2 weeks, Sunday, October 17th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. The winner will be notified the following day, which is Monday, October 18th. The winner will of course be picked at random. I will use some sort of YouTube generator to pick. And so sorry to my international friends. Unfortunately, this is only for US residents this time around. With everything going on with shipping overseas, it will make it very difficult. So if you're in the US and looking for something more from the candles that you have, I encourage you to enter for a chance to win a scent of your choice from Harlem Candle Co. Thank you for your continued words of encouragement on this channel. There's so much more in store I can't wait for you to see. I hope you enjoyed this little peek into my mind and the Detailed Dream channel. That's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. As always, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.